everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a delicious recipe for an all-in-one easy chorizo potato hash. This is the perfect dish for breakfast, brunch, lunch or dinner. It's full of flavour, it's filling and it only takes a few minutes to prepare and cook. Great way to use leftovers. This is my all-in-one pan chorizo potato hash. If you want to keep it plant-based or vegetarian, that's really easy. Just take out the meat and you've got a delicious little hash. So I'm using 3 medium-sized potatoes left over from yesterday. I've grabbed a really nice stick of smoky chorizo, about 110 grams in weight, and I'm cutting that into thumbnail-sized chunks. Okay, let's grab 1 onion. Going to peel the outer skin off and then going to cut that into the same size chunks as the chorizo, and that will cook all around the same time. Doesn't need to be too precise, just nice and chunky, just like the chorizo. Next, I'm going to pull the skin off the potato. You don't have to, you can leave it on if you want to, but I have here. And now I'm going to cut it into the same size pieces as the chorizo and the onion. Crush the garlic. Just going to cut that out nice and chunky as well. Now chop some spring onions, ready to garnish at the end. Okay, let's cook. It's hash time. Okay, I've heated up a medium-sized skillet, added a little knob of butter, about 50 grams. Adding the chorizo and cooking that down slowly to release some of the oils. Adding the garlic and the onions, and then I'm going to saute those off in the chorizo oil and butter, which all adds to the flavour. Okay, now I'm going to add the potatoes, saute those off in the chorizo oil. You can see the colour change. Now seasoning. Hello. A little bit of salt. Then stir or toss those seasonings in and taste again. I'm adding some picked fresh thyme leaves from the garden. Move the pan, let the pan do the work. And look at those little crispy bits of potato and chorizo and onion. Make a little well in the middle and crack in an egg. Okay, we're going to cover it for about a minute so the steam can cook the top of the egg, but making sure the yolk stays runny. And now sprinkle on your chopped spring onion. I love the colours in this dish, it makes the green spring onion really pop. Now, I'm going to plate this up nicely, but you can just get that pan, tip it onto a large plate and dive in. I'm topping it with a fried egg here, and then I'm going to finish it off with a little bit of melted chorizo oil I had in the fridge. Totally optional, you could add a pesto here if you wanted to. And voila, here it is, potato chorizo hash. Yummy. That's banging. And there we have it, a delicious, tasty, all-in-one chorizo potato hash that you can enjoy any time of day, breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, even an evening snack, or take it with you and eat it cold. Absolutely tasty, full of flavour. We hope you give this recipe a try. Please drop me a comment if you do and let me know how you get on. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe if you want to see more content just like this. Got another brunch video just coming up here, and also you can look at how I started the street food business, which focuses on brunch dishes. See you next time. Thank you for watching. That's Gary's Kitchen out. Bye now.
Papa, what you hashing?